Hey guys, Menchi here, and today I'm going to show you a remix. I decided to make a remix for Scooter. This track called She Said, it's really old track back in the days, in the 90s. I remember I listened to this tape on my cassette player in my childhood. I really like this album. By the way, track like Fire, Age of Love from this album, and I really like this track. I really like how it sounds. This track originally in 140 BPM. I decided to use this BPM as well. Also I used AI to find this acapella, these vocals, because I didn't find cool acapella, studio acapella in internet, but I decided to use this one. This remix is unofficial, of course. I decided to make it one semitone up. I don't know how it sounds and how Content ID by YouTube will react to this remix, but anyway, let me show you this remix and I'll explain what I used in the remix.
Move to the rhythm. She said move, move, move to the rhythm. She said move, move, move to the rhythm. She said move, move, move to the rhythm. She said move to the rhythm. So here's the remix. We
listen to extended mix, I decided to make it full. So let me explain what I use in this track. As I said, I used vocals, and I made something like delay automations, something like that. To make something like these phrases, not to cut abruptly, something like that. You can see the automation. Here the delay is off, here the delay is on. I used these settings. Let me show you. It's something like 4, the time is 4, and to make this delay effect for the vocal. So we have 2 types of kick. This kick is filtered, something like that. This kick is full. But anyway, I decided to make something like an envelope for this kick, because without envelope it sounds like that. Something going on at the end of this kick, and I decided to use this envelope to make it a bit shorter, but to save the energy of this track, and cut this end in this kick. And we have here the same kick, but without low frequencies. Sounds like that. Also we have heads, something like that. By the way, let me show you how I made this this head. I used a few settings, a few procession for this for this head. I used this equalizer to cut some frequencies here. Also I used delay and reverb. Originally it sounds like that, but I decided to use something like a techno touch. Yeah. Also we have right, and we have this rhythm section. Also we have something like a clap. By the way, these FX sound like this, but I decided to use just one clap, something like that. And I decided to use reverb and kickstart to make something like a sidechain, and I put it before, something like before the drop. Yeah. Also we have the bass line. The bass consists a few layers. This layer sub bass. I decided to use this sub instead of this, when you have something like a half of this one kick, something like this. Yeah, I decided to use this, and I used this sub bass without attack, something like envelope, to the slow attack, to make this effect. Also we have mid bass. The same situation when I decided to cut this attack. Also we have another layers for mid bass. Sounds like that. Also I decided to copy this organ sound, like in the original mix, Also we have here something like a sequence, but I decided to make it manually to make a tension in this breakdown, because I really like how these words here sounds, and my favorite part of this remix is here. And I decided to make something like a breakdown, like an original mix, to go to this drop, something like that. Also we have these instruments in the breakdown, wrist bass, yes, something like that. I used this pad, but then I decided to use another pad. I decided to use something like a trance pad. And I decided to make automation for the cutoff filter of this pad. Also we have something like a gate effects. Yeah, and we have here the melody from the original mix. I really like how it sounds. And I decided to use another layer to make this lead fat on the second part of the drop. By the way, it sounds really closer to the original. I really like it. And we have effects section, we have impact. We have here the snare roll. Also we have sweeps, crash. We have a riser. And we have something like a reverse crash, and these claps, something like fills. Yeah, so sounds like that. Tell me what do you think, guys, about this remix. By the way, this remix will be my unofficial remix from my other project called me.ee, something like that, because as Menchi, it's not a style by Menchi, but more style by my other project. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, I'll upload this project on my Patreon page. You can easily find how to make a track like that, all the presets, all the processing for any instrument you see in this project, and maybe you want to make something like that, maybe use other vocals royalty free, maybe or by original vocalist, I don't know. Anyway, feel free to use it in your aims, because it's not official remix. Anyway, I'll upload this remix to my other YouTube page, maybe to this YouTube. I don't know how to make it. All right. Yes. Anyway, you can check this project and figure out how to make a track like that. So Mensch was here, guys. Bye bye.